Hi people. So I have this little Mini Brands fashion ball that I would like to open because I've had it sitting here for a long time. I don't remember how long, but probably at least a year. And I just stumbled upon it and I was like, oh, I didn't unbox that one or unball it, however you refer to it. So that's what we're doing right now. And we got our scissors because we know that these things are not so easy to open. Yeah, Mr. Freddy with us today too. Oh, he was laying down on here, but he doesn't really like the camera, so I'm sure that's why he moved. Oh man, this is why we got our scissors, because these things take forever to open. Alright, it's like performing surgery, jeez. Fingers. Oh man. Oh man, we're getting there. And then if that wasn't enough, we have another layer. So let's get the other layer off there too. Goodness, they really don't want you getting in these things, do they? I think I'm going to speed up this part when I'm done opening this, because I don't know if anyone wants to watch me unpeel a Mini Brands ball for like 2 minutes in a row, but we'll see. Okay, yay! Alright, wait to open this. Okay, now we got the difficult part open. Now we can actually open it and have fun. See what we got. Alright, again, I still love the paper, how it feels. Such a nice little sensory experience. And listen, I don't know, it's just something about Mini Brands packaging. It just sounds and feels so nice, so satisfying. Alright, what do we have? Are these boots? Oh my god, how cute! So we got little black boots. Don't look at my nails, I haven't done them, so they're kind of a mess. So try to ignore those. But look how cute these little boots are. They got the little green platforms. And, oh my goodness, it came with little accessories to match the boots. I think this is like a wrist bag or something. It looks like a little teeny tiny purse. I would say a belt bag, but I don't know what dolls have this tiny of hips. So I'm going with it's a wrist bag. And then, what is this? I think that, oh, it's a head. I was like, is this sunglasses? No, this is a headband. This is so cute. Oh, so I gotta find one of my Barbies and dress them up, because then they can have the whole little ensemble. That's so cute. All right, what else do we have? I love opening this. Okay. This is cute. Oh, it looks like a little Bottega Veneta. Look at that. How cute. What does it say? Mini fashion. Super cute. And then you can open it. Ooh. It's got the magnetic closure, look. That's fun. We got our little papers in there. I think that's it for this ball. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we got our little, I'm a little disappointed that this wasn't also green to match all the fabulous green that we have here, but still very freaking cute.